Everybody these days are doing modern home renovations, turning their homes into modern white boxes. Meanwhile, there's me. You already know I like to decorate my house like a princess castle, so that is also morphing into now full grandma aesthetic.
It's so old lady chic.
So this week, I'm taking you along for the ride of giving my disgusting bathroom a princess old lady makeover.
What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And behind this door is my newly decorated granny bathroom. But of course, before I show it to you, I thought it'd be fun to take you with me a week in my life decorating.
All right. So here is what the bathroom looked like officially before, like when I bought the house way back in the day. It just was so boring. Oh, it's just beige walls, beige everything, the most disgusting toilet you've ever seen in your life. So instead, we're gonna make it the most fabulous bathroom you've ever seen in your life.
Haha. All right, the bathroom gets a before and I get a before too. So, we're not ready. Actually, what's that? Do I have a zit? I'm getting a zit. Okay, anyways, here is the before of my little bathroom. Dun dun! This is it, still even done up a little bit from when I first had it done, but here you can see it again. It's just like the walls are boring. There's nothing really very interesting. It's just like a really boring little beige box. So we're gonna make it fabulous. Like, oh my gosh, definitely need to change the lighting fixture. That's super ugly. I actually think I'm gonna like do a lot of fun stuff in here. I might even paint the ceiling gold and, you know, the baseboards gold. Oh, there's no crown molding in here. There should be. Anyways, yeah, so this is the before. Ta-da, we got our toilets, the bidet, love the bidet. Actually did have these put in, so these are nice. And need a doorknob, obviously. LOL, I have none. And yeah, we got this wall. So this is gonna be quite a little project. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the wallpaper I got. This is Norwal wall coverings. It was like 30 bucks from Home Depot. Solid. I wasn't planning on filming right now. Clearly I am not ready, but this came in the mail and I literally just like got so excited. Oh my gosh. It's so old lady chic. You ever seen a bitch be this excited about wallpaper? No, but this is gonna be fire. Look at that, it even matches the floor perfect. So stinking cute, OMG. It is like 3 p.m. on a Tuesday. I just called like 100 random numbers I found on Yelp to see if anyone could come install it today. So fingers crossed. Hopefully it can be installed today. Yay. They said they would be in the video. Hi, you want to say hi? Hi.
Hi.
Hi, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh, and George is here. It's just a whole party. George, exciting. This is what goes on in my daily life, you guys. I'm literally leaving for Paris in 17 hours. So, anyways, we're gonna do this instead. This is disgusting. Oh God. That. Oh God. Yum yum yum. Dun, 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 dun. It's just the most beautiful wallpaper I've ever seen in my life. I'm so excited. This cheap wallpaper is costing me a fortune to have it put in, but what are you gonna do? Hi guys. Oh, I think I messed it up. No?
No problem.
Okay. If I messed it up, you fix it, okay?
Do-do-do-dum.
Ta-da! Now it's free because I did it. Woo! Oh man, I did a gnarly job. Dun 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 dun. It's getting all gelled up, baby. Guys, there's literally hair everywhere, but it's going well. He said we're gonna leave the hair there for history. Give the wallpaper some provenance. Oh yep, there it is. There's the hair getting rolled right in. Oh God. Look at that, it also goes on the wall. This is a whole video about wallpaper. We're trying to work, George. George. Oh, you're gonna help? Don't eat that. Go, baby, go. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Look at that. The knob. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. It's happening. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, guys, if you're still watching this video, this is hilarious. I just realized this. We are literally watching wallpaper dry, so my content just gets more interesting by the day.
It's just the most magical little place in the whole wide world. Oh my God, you guys. Are you seeing this? Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. And you guys already know, if you watched my 5 countries in 5 days shopping spree, that yes, I did in fact carry this chandelier home from Paris. It is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. Wow. That being said, carrying it home was one of the worst experiences of my life. I'm not even kidding. It weighed so much. It was horrible.
Literally solid bronze, so whoever said shopping is an exercise, it's a sport, baby.
Oh my God. And it continued to be annoying as it was literally from Paris and it doesn't have American like electrical wirings.
All right, guys, we're trying to hang the chandelier, but the chandelier's being a bitch.
But it's so beautiful. It's gonna be worth it. I think, hopefully, fingers crossed.
All right, we're hopping downtown really quick to get some extra crystals for the chandelier because I don't like the blue ones that are on there and I want some clear ones. Hi, Benny.
Miss this kid.
I miss you too.
We're on the chandelier crystal hunt, you guys. We found them. Woohoo! We're gonna get these. Hey, all right, guys, we got the crystals we need. We are good.
Hi, little man. Hi, I love you. Hello. Oh, you're gonna sit on the crystals? Okay, so I got a bunch more crystals. We're gonna re-crystal the chandelier real quick. Hook these little guys on there. But speaking of crystals, hello. This ring and a bunch of new other crystally fabulosities on 333 right now. Just got a new emerald necklace design. I'm so excited. The little Pariba, the little mini emeralds, all the rings, the rainbow rings. Ooh, that is all available. Happy shopping and thanks for shopping. It means a lot.
All right, guys, you want to talk about a deranged old lady exciting thing? So you may have noticed I ripped off the switch plate on this, which, by the way, even knowing that that's called a switch plate, I feel like is an old lady thing. But guess what came exciting? Oh my gosh, this is a thrill. Okay, so I got some beautiful switch plates. Look at this. Oh, like, you know, this is just so much more beautiful than a plain switch plate. So we're gonna put this up instead. Goodbye. You're getting a makeover. I don't know if you guys even remember this, but I changed all of the switch plates in the ballroom too. Like, where are they? Oh, hi, baby. You want me to play with you? I'm sorry, I'm filming. I'm sorry. I'll play with you in 5 minutes. Okay. Hi. Yes. No, you don't want me to play? George Biscuit. Okay. Okay. You want me? Do you want me to throw this or not? Meow. Go, baby, go. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Entertain yourself, please. Okay. But yeah, I switched all the switch plates in here into fancy, beautiful ones. Like, oh my goodness, look how gorgeous these are. Like, amazing. So, these are gonna be really fun. It's a Saturday night, by the way. This is what I'm doing. I'm so cool. Hi in the background.
No!
My mom is here. Okay, so since this has already been the world's most all over the place vlog, I bought this on Amazon. This is like acrylic, apparently mirror tape, so I'm gonna try and fix my cabinets with this. Like, see how there's space right here? I'm gonna try and use this to cover that. All right, guys, let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. Are you guys seeing this? Look at that. I just fully made this Art Deco style. Now it's not white and weird anymore. Ah! I'm also standing on the bidet. Woohoo! Don't try this at home. Actually, I love to see you guys do my DIYs. Tag me. Are you ready? So that was that. Are you guys ready to see the finished product? Oh! Ah! Do a quick little before to remind you. my gosh, I love it. It's like living in your grandma's cabinet. So here's the grand little tour of what I did. Like you can see, the wallpaper just is unbelievable. Isn't this just the most beautiful wallpaper you've ever seen in your life? Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's just perfect. Like the vibes. Immaculate. P.S. new rings on 333. Okay. But you can see the mirrored cabinets just came out amazing. They used to have old boring knobs, but now they have beautiful golden aesthetic knobs. So I can store stuff in there. Obviously I don't really have anything in there at the moment, but I'll get to it. Toilet and the bidet obviously are no longer disgusting. They're nice and clean and brand new. But you can see I also obviously decorated them a little bit. So the hardware on the bidet was obviously silver and boring on the last one, but now it's fabulous. Like, look at that. Yes. Same with my toilet. I got a new like lever thing. What do you guys think? Like, goodbye, this is so fun. Way better than a boring old normal toilet flusher thing. On top of the toilet, I got my little Ritz Paris towel that I got at the Ritz Paris. And I thought this was fun. This is like an antique perfume bottle that I had that literally like basically exactly matches the wallpaper. So I thought that was fun too. Just give it a little bit of decor, you know? I still hate that you can see these pipes. I'm gonna try and figure out something to do with that. But for now, nice little trash can that matches the floor. You can see it's the same kind of marble. So that's pretty. You know, if you have to have something ugly, get a pretty one. My beautiful new switch plates. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at that. They look so old and cool. Not to mention I installed these myself. My toilet paper holder. Could you guys die? Look at how gorgeous that is too. Beautiful. I actually got this on eBay. It's Cheryl Wagner, which is like this really expensive brand. You guys know. It's the same brand as my sinks outside. Cost so much money, so
Shout out to eBay. Thank you very much.
this is beautiful. Oh! Also this toilet paper, do you guys see how it's wavy and beautiful? Charmin Ultra Soft something or other. I am obsessed with it. It is now the only toilet paper that I buy because of the little fancy swirl. You know, it's the little things in life. It just makes it a little more fabulous. If I did one of those old school favorites video, this toilet paper would be in it. The first YouTuber to ever have toilet paper in her list of favorite things, but yeah, good stuff. Like, I'm sorry, this is so beautiful. Of course, also speaking of Cheryl Wagner everywhere, my doorknob. Look at that beauty. It's gorgeous. Okay, so fun fact, this is actually not even a real doorknob. I actually just literally glued this to the wall like this. This is not actually a real doorknob, LOL. Like I said, this costs a fortune. So this is the DIY version. Hee hee, broke bitch, fake it till you make it. I was actually just in New York this weekend. Did you see the hilarious text my mom sent me? You can take the girl out of being broke, but you can't take the broke bitch out of the girl. I'll be doing random shit like this till I die. But anyways, yeah, buy the jewelry if you want to see me like actually install a working doorknob. Goals.
P.S. We're having a huge Valentine's Day sale on the website right now too, so everything's on extra sale to be extra sparkly.
And of course the grand star, the chandelier. Get back up here for the tour here. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Totally worth carrying it home from Paris. Yay. Okay. So that's that. All right, let's see. Ugh. Also, I don't know if you guys can even tell, this is still ugly, but I painted it, so it's a little less ugly now. I even changed the door hinges to be gold and beautiful. Do you guys see this? I actually got these on Amazon, but this is amazing. It's the little details that make a big difference. Oh, fabulous. Hello, darling. Yes, welcome to my grand palace home. Dun, 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 la, 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 la. Oh my gosh. Such a freaking vibe. And that is my grandma bathroom makeover. God, I love it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time to decorate the rest of my house because Lord knows this is taking 80 billion years. From my bathroom, XL. Should I do a living in my bathroom for a night vlog? I guess I would never have to leave to go to the bathroom.